Welcome also. Today's topic is triangle, and in this block I would cover objective type questions related to triangle. So without wasting a time, let's get started. So we have to pick the correct option. Okay, so in each question we'll get 4 options. So first is, how many parts does a triangle have? 9, 3, 6 and 4, and correct answer is 6. Why 6? Because in a triangle there are 3 sides and 3 angles, so 3 plus 3 comes out 6. Okay, the next is, in the adjoining figure the point P lies. So here one triangle is given, triangle ABC, and this point P lies. Correct answer is on triangle ABC. So this would be the correct answer. Then third is, the triangular pieces in an instrument box are called, means the triangular pieces that are present inside the instrument box, they are called the set squares. Okay, after that, next is, a triangle having all sides of different length is called a scalene triangle, because we all know in a scalene triangle all the sides as well as all the angles are of different length. The next is, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is, and the correct answer is always greater than the length of the third side. I repeat, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is, means sum means to add. Okay, so if we add any two sides of a triangle and this answer would be always greater than the length of the third side. Okay, so in a triangle there are 3 sides. When we add 2 sides, it means their answer would be greater than the third side. Now next is, in an equilateral triangle we all know all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. It means we pick option number C, that is both A and B are correct. Okay, next is, which of the following cannot be the length of 3 sides of a triangle, and the correct answer is B, that is 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 11 centimeter. After that, next is, the measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60. Why 60? Because when we add 63 times we'll get 180, and we all know in a triangle there are 3 angles and its measurement is 180 degree. Means when we add all the 3 angles we'll get 180 degree. So answer number C is correct, that is 60 degree. The next is, two angles of a triangle are 40 and 25 degree respectively. The third angle is, so if two angles are given we can easily find out the third one, because overall measurement is 180 degrees. So first we add this 40 plus 25 and we'll get 65, and when we subtract this 65 from 180 degree we'll get 115 degree. It means option number D is correct. Then next is, one of the base angles of an isosceles triangle is 70 degree. The vertical angles of the triangle is, means base angle is given. Okay, so 70 degree, and we all know in an isosceles triangle two angles are equal. So 70 plus 70 comes out 140 degree, and when we subtract this 140 from 180 degree we'll get 40 degree. So correct answer is option number C. And last question is, which of the following can be the angles of a triangle? So which would be the correct option in this? Option number B. Why? Because when we add 40 plus 75 plus 65 degree we'll get 180 degree, and we all know in a triangle measurement of all the 3 angles would be 180 degrees. So option number B is correct. So this is the end of the vlog. Hope you like it, and see you very soon in my next vlog. Till then, take care and keep practicing.